Learning to understand and minimize the damage from lightning is the goal of the International Center for Lightning Research in Stark, Florida. This is one of the few places where lightning is welcome. Waiting for lightning strikes would be a time-consuming process. So here in north central Florida, when a storm passes, scientists trigger the electrical discharges. They do it with a little rocket science.
If you shoot a rocket up in the air with a wire attached to it, the wire is a good conductor and it looks like a tall building. So if you put the wire up there about the height of the Empire State Building, which is about 1,000 feet, about half the time, if there's a thunderstorm overhead, it will think that there's a good target underneath and lightning will hit the wire.
As the rocket goes up at 300 miles per hour, it unspools the wire. When lightning strikes, the charge is drawn to Earth. The wire vaporizes, but in a flash, data about the lightning bolt is recorded, both at the tower, where the lightning strikes, and at 20 other measuring sites around the 1 million square foot test field. Their studies have improved lightning protection for power lines, as well as residential wiring.